The RapidWave4000 automated advanced cable tester quickly performs all required electrical and signal integrity tests to ensure perfect cables every time. The RapidWave4000 consists of a mainframe, test modules, USB Type-C and HDMI adapters, and calibration adapters. The mainframe has 4 slots and can contain any combination of production test modules or advanced signal integrity modules. The production test module will accept either one of the HDMI or USB Type-C production adapters. The production adapter inserts into the production test module, and a cable under test inserts into the production adapter. The low-cost adapter is the part that wears out with use and is easily replaced. This improves equipment reliability and minimizes downtime. The adapter should be checked periodically with a calibration module to determine if it is worn and needs to be replaced. This is easy and fast to do. Simply insert the calibration adapter into the production adapter and run the module calibration routine in the application software. If the production adapter doesn't pass calibration, simply throw it away and install a new adapter. The adapters are low cost, so this is not a problem.